Hi, welcome to day 2 of Learn 3D in 30 Days. My name is Tracy and I'm your 3D guide for this 30-day series. On day 1 we decided that we would use SketchUp to learn 3D basics to start. Today we are going to learn SketchUp's basic tools in part 1, and then in part 2 we'll see if we can build something simple with them, like a basic doghouse. The first thing I did today was pull together websites that offered beginner tutorials for SketchUp. I found some great tips on personalizing the user interface and grouping, which works a lot like layers in Photoshop. Today, however, we'll focus on familiarizing ourselves with the tools on the toolbar. First, let's launch SketchUp. So on the desktop here, you'll find SketchUp, Style Builder, and Layout 2015, which were all installed when I installed SketchUp. Style Builder allows you to change the look of your 3D models, such as making them look like they're drawn, which is a very neat effect. And then Layout allows you to take your 3D models and put them into 2D so that they can easily be used in your presentations. So I'm going to double click on SketchUp to launch it. And then I'll click on Start Using SketchUp. So on this first screen here, we see this little man here that looks a little bit like Stan Lee. And there's the menu at the top: File, Edit, View, Camera, Draw Tools, Window, and Help. And the toolbar has lots of little nifty tools. These are what we'll be looking at first today. The first one is Select. Select entities to modify with other tools or commands. Okay, so we can select Mr. Lee here. There's nothing else to select. Eraser. Erase, soften, or smooth entities in the models. Ooh. And, oh, that completely erased him. I'm going to hit Control Z to bring him back. Lines. Click arrow to switch line tools. Line and freehand. Okay. So we can draw a line. Whee! Oh look, it makes them all into straight lines again. Now what's this here? Arcs. Click arrow to switch arc tools. Arc, 2-point arc, 3-point arc, or pi. Interesting. So I'm going to go back to the arrow. I'm going to click on this here and see what that does. We'll do a 2-point arc. Oh no, you have to draw an entirely new one. Okay, gotcha. That doesn't look like a 2-point arc. What's the 3-point arc? Oh, I see. Okay, so it starts, that's the second point there. So 1 point, 2 points, and 3 points. Let's go back to the 2-point arc. So 1 point, 2 points, and there's the arc. Cool. What's this? Shapes. Click arrow to switch shape tools. Make circle, polygon, rotate a rectangle and a rectangle. Okay, make a circle. Oh, what happened there? Make another circle over here. Polygon. Can we choose anything? Entity info. Choose X faces area. I right clicked to bring up this menu here. Another rectangle. Oh, okay. So you click first and then you try to, what happens if I go over there? I did this again too. Okay. Rotated rectangle. Oh. Neato. Push, pull, pull. Push and pull face entities to sculpt 3D models. Okay, I didn't realize I had that. select it. Can I push and pull this piece here? Ooh. Back to my hero, I'm going to click on this, push. What's this one here? Offset, offset selected edges in the planes. Okay. I'm not sure what I just did there, but I would like to select something else. Here, let's select that plane there. Offset. Creates copies of lines at a uniform distance from originals. Okay, so they're just copies of the lines. And this one here is the move. Okay, that seems pretty simple enough. Gotta click the arrow first and select something else. And move. Ooh, oh wow. So these are attached now because they link together. Rotate tool. Rotate stretch to sort of copy entities along a rounded path. Okay, well that didn't do anything. Oh, I'm still working with this piece here. So I had to click twice. Here, let's click on this guy over here. I'm going to stretch him up. Then I'm going to try see rotating him. Clicked once, click twice, and it just rotates that one face. Very neat. Now, what if I use this and I want to select multiple faces? Does shift work for that? There, there, and there. Oh yeah. And there. So I'm going to move these over here. Isn't that neat? And then I want to rotate them. Not sure what the first rotate does, but oh. And what's this? Scale. Scale and stretch selected entities. Ooh. Okay, so I'm guessing we're going to click on these handles here. Tape measure tool. Measure distances, create guidelines or points, or scale the entire model. Okay, so I want to measure this point to this point. And where does it come up? Control, toggle, create guides, enter value to resize model. Control? Okay, so I have no idea what this measure tool, how we're supposed to be using it. A1 text, draw text labels. Ooh, text label. Here. Place text entities. Oh, but I can't move that one? Alright, I gotta click on it first, then I can move it. Text label. Click on an entity to indicate ending point of leader line. Like that? Oh, okay. Oh, I can change it. These are measurements in inches. Escape, cancel operation. Okay, so let's go to this one here. I'm gonna do escape? No. So I'm just gonna erase this one. And I'm gonna erase this and this. Hey, this didn't work. Why can't I erase you? There we go. Just gonna clean this up a little bit. Because I can. Oh, is this gonna erase it all? So it erases one line at a time unless you've got an entire polygon there. Oh, the mouse wheel. In and out. Let's see. Paint bucket. Materials. Ooh. Blinds, asphalt, brick, carpet, colors, ground, materials, symbols. Okay. Let's see, what other materials are there? Brick and clay. Ooh, neat. Well, this is going to be fun. Okay. Next one is orbit. Orbit the camera view about the model. Click anywhere in the drawing, move cursor in the direction to rotate. Okay, so interesting. Oh, look at this. That's a wicked little shape of weirdness right there. The hand. Pan. Pan the camera vertically. Okay. Zoom. That's like the mouse wheel. Zoom extends. Zoom the camera view in or out to show the entire model. As soon as I clicked it, it changed the angle. See? Oh, I'm gonna click that again. Boom. Okay, what's this? Add location. Add a geolocation to the model and gather site information nearby. Oh, interesting. Add location. By adding a location, you're telling SketchUp where this model exists in the real world. Doing so gives you access to Google's rich collection of geodata and makes it possible to view your model in Google Earth. Start by searching your model's location. Okay, well, definitely don't have this anywhere on the planet. Get models, get a model from a 3D warehouse, extension warehouse, add extensions to SketchUp, and layout, sent to layout. Okay, so that's a quick overview of all the main tools that we'll be using in SketchUp. In view, it seems we can do edge style, face style. Oh, with the wireframe, right? Okay. Shaded. Camera, we can parallel projection, 2-point perspective. Parallel projection. Oh, wild. Does that really go all the way out there? That's crazy. Perspective. Okay, that brings us back to... Oh yeah, it does go all the way out there. Let's see. I want to push and pull, right? Oh no. So do I have to go all the way around there? Whoa. Push and pull this piece? Oh no. Gotta select this first. And then push and pull. No. Can't. Oh, that won't work. How do I get this to be smaller again? Oh, it's a smooth, it's a curved surface now. Okay, draw lines. Okay, this is pretty much everything that we were looking at on the menu there. Tools, select eraser paint bucket. We've seen those. Offset, outer shell, solid tools. Can we split that? Oh, neat. Okay. 3D text. Let's try to get back up to the front there. Okay, so that's it for part one. Okay, so I am going to close this file now. New. Save changes to untitled? No. And here we have a fresh screen. So I said I was going to build a doghouse. I'm at Google search and I searched doghouse and now I'm scrolling through. I don't want to make anything too complicated because it's my first design, but I want it to have a little bit of personality. Of course, I like the ones with the dogs in it the most, but I don't think I can make the dogs just yet. Yeah, this one looks simple enough. It's got a little height so it can stay off the ground. Okay, I'm going to use this as my model. So this is all the time I had to work on this today. Tomorrow I'll be building this doghouse for day 3. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video and please click on subscribe so that you can stay up to date on what's new on my channel. I'll see you tomorrow on day 3.